Okay, 7th grade, final example on percent word problems. I got two more problems here. So our first one says, Target is having a sale and is selling cat litter for $12.50. The regular price of the cat litter is $16. What is the discount percentage? So we know the regular price, it was $16. We know what they're selling it for on sale is $12.50. We're asked to find the discount percentage. If you are ever asked to find discount percentage, markup percentage, or sales tax percentage, any of those three things, that means the question is going to be a percent of change question. And if you remember, the formula for percent of change was the amount of change over original amount. So we learned this earlier in the unit, and now we need to remember this formula. Again, you have it on the top there with all the formulas on your sheet. So amount of change over original amount. Amount of change is how much, in this case, the price of cat litter changed. So we take the larger number, 16, minus the $12.50, the discount rate, and that goes over the original amount. Now, the original amount is going to be the regular price in this case, not the sale price. Well, the original amount is going to be the regular price. It was $16, then it was discounted down to $12.50. So original amount is 16. So we're going to do that math. 16 minus $12.50 is $3.50. And that is going to be divided by 16. I'm going to use my calculator here. 350 divided by 16. I do that. I get 0.21875. This is a decimal. I got to make it a percentage, so I got to move it two places to the right. I get 21.875. I'm going to round that to the nearest... I'm going to round it to the nearest tenth, because anytime we have a decimal, we round to the nearest tenth, unless it was money, but in this case we're finding a percentage, so we just round to the nearest tenth, so that's going to be 21.9%. So the discount was 21.9%. Alright, let's look at our second problem here. We've got Best Buy is selling an Xbox One for $249.99. It had been marked up 35%. So it's already been marked up 35% to that price of $249.99. We're asked to find what's the store's cost for the Xbox One. What did the store pay for it? Then they marked it up, and they obviously sell it for more so they can make a profit. So this is like the problems we've been doing over the last week or so, where we needed to find markup or discount, all those kind of things. We were given a markup percentage. Anytime you're given a markup or a discount, remember, you may get a decimal, and you either add one if it's a markup or sales tax, and if it's discount, you subtract from one. So I'm going to take that 35%. Oh my gosh. I just wrote on my shirt. Great. 35%. I make it a decimal. That'd be 0.35. Move it two places left. Add 1. That's 1.35. So now I'm going to take the $249.99. And then I'm going to take the 1.35. Remember, all these problems worked out the same way like this. And then we decide, do I multiply or divide? I multiply if I'm doing a markup. I divide if the markup has already happened. Well, we know it had been marked up, so it's already been marked up. So that's already happened. So that means we're dividing. So we're going to do $249.99 divided by 1.35. I do that division. I get $185. And if I round to the nearest hundredth, because this is money, 18 cents. So I've got $185.18. So that is the last set of examples. You've got some practice problems you need to do. So do those, then check them over with the answer key.